Now let's go over the main points of part 2 of today's lesson, how questions. Questions with how ask about the method or way something was done. They are often answered with by or with. How did you get to Osaka? By Shinkansen. How will you do your presentation? With PowerPoint. When you answer how questions, you often need to add a preposition. However, don't include the preposition in the question. For example, how long will you stay in Canada? This is correct. How long will you stay in Canada for? No, that doesn't work. No for at the end of the question. You can use how to ask about opinions and conditions. You answer these questions with adjectives. How was the movie? It was really good. How do you feel today? I feel much better. A common error is to add the preposition like after how questions. You only add like with what. Like is followed by a noun. So, how does it smell? It smells delicious. No like. What does it smell like? It smells like a new car. How is often combined with an adjective or an adverb. Common how questions include how often? This asks about frequency. How often do you wash your car? How long? This asks about time. How long will you stay in Canada? How heavy asks about weight. How heavy is your suitcase? How much asks about price. How much did your sandwich cost? How old? This asks about age. How old are your children? If you want to ask about size, how big? How big was your school? To ask about speed, you would say, how fast? How fast were they driving? You can ask about difficulty with how hard? How hard was the test? And that's pretty much it for part 2 of today's lesson, how questions. Do the grammar exercises, and I'll see you in part 3.